Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add page numbers on every PDF number or page that you have. I'm using the website ilovepdf.com, and at this website you can do everything around PDFs. So from now we click here on page numbers, select the PDF file, and we click here on downloads, and then from here I click here on delts and arms. And if you can see right now, I don't have any page numbers. So what we can do now is we can click on single page or facing pages. But right now I want to do single pages. Then we click here. First number is 1. Which page do you like to be a given number? Now from page 1 to 2. Now you can also do the text or do something like this. You can completely make your own style for your pages, but yeah, for me this is fine. So right now if I click on add page numbers, download PDF numbered, and I click here on the PDF file, you can see that here in the bottom is standing the page numbers. So this is an easy way how you can add page numbers to your PDF file. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.